Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. To enable this feature, open settings on your iPhone, then go to general section. From there, tap AirPlay and Continuity, and select automatically AirPlay to TVs. You will see three options: Ask, Automatic, or Never. Ensure it is set to either Ask or Automatic. If it is set to Never, screen mirroring is currently disabled. Ask. Your iPhone will prompt you whenever it detects a compatible device like a TV or computer. Automatic. Your iPhone will automatically connect to compatible devices without asking. Once set to Ask or Automatic, exit Settings and swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. Tap the screen mirroring button, two overlapping rectangles to see available devices. Select a device from the list, and your iPhone will begin mirroring to that screen. And that is everything you need to know about how to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.